Jet engine technology, widely considered the holy grail of civil and military aviation. This is the General Electric GE F414 engine, a cutting-edge jet engine that powers the F/A-18 Hornet, the US Navy's go-to fighter. This engine may now be produced by General Electric in India. In a multi-billion-dollar deal with Hindustan Aeronautics, with reports suggesting that America is willing to transfer key technology worth up to 80% of the value of the deal. It would power the LCA Mark II, an advanced variant of the Made in India Tejas fighter that you see here. The United States has never allowed the transfer of this level of technology to anyone. State-of-the-art jet engines include components which are deeply intellectual property rights protected, with manufacturing processes that are top secret. The technology that India may get includes coating and machining of single crystal turbine blades. What exactly are we talking about? Consider this. Manufacturing components of jet engine turbines has always been a massive engineering challenge through the history of aviation. Jet turbines need to retain their shape, their strength and their efficiency at temperatures up to 2000 degrees centigrade. Metal alloys used in older jet engines using conventional manufacturing techniques failed at the highest temperatures. They lost their thermal efficiency, which is why a handful of companies began to develop what they called single crystal turbine airfoils. Through profound chemical engineering of superalloys, single crystal turbine airfoils are able to achieve 3 times more engine life protection against corrosion resistance. Far lower overall weight. It's a lighter engine. A higher melting point temperature. This is absolutely critical. And massive engine life, much more than usual, up to 25,000 hours before an overhaul takes place. For India, the deal will mean that GE will open shop in India in partnership with HAL at a new plant to introduce the manufacturing processes required to build not just single crystal turbine blades, but also other key components including laser drilling for combustion, machining of powder metallurgy, and the manufacture of compression discs and blades. The GE 414 IN6 engine, when it's built in India, will power not just India's indigenous Tejas Mark II fighter, but also the futuristic AMCA, or Advanced Medium Combat Aircraft, a stealth fighter. For the Indian Air Force, this will mean reliable and long-lasting jet engines. Russian engines in the past frequently needed an overhaul at a few hundred hours. Now you have engines which can be overhauled after several thousand hours. Engines which are lighter, more powerful, much more fuel efficient, and with the potential to be upgraded for future use. The benefits of all of this will be transformational for the Indian Armed Forces. Vishnu Shom for NDTV.